Welcome to How to Do Pyung Ahn Ee Dan for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Pyung Ahn Ee Dan. The form itself has 29 movements, along with a variety of combination techniques. Pyung Ahn Ee Dan also follows a similar pattern with some variations as the Gichuyang series. You can check those out here on the Rockhold Karate YouTube channel. Pyung Ahn Ee Dan also introduces, for the first time, kicks in a traditional form. So we're going to get set up here and be right back. Pyung Ahn Ee Dan. Chariot, come to attention, kine, bow, and chumbi jase, ready stance. First movement will be hugo jase to the left, along with Yongpao Maki, which is a combination block. The combination block is comprised of Aniso Pakara Maki and Sandan Maki, like so. So an inside-outside block with a hand turned out and a regular high block. Next move will be Tulo Jumak Kong Kyuk, an uppercut. And then I'll stretch out the hand, chamber the other one, my left hand, and then step out into Kima Jase, Winjin Kong Kyuk horse stance, side punch. Then I'll look the other way, repeat the sequence, double block, reverse uppercut, horse stance, side punch. From here I need to turn and kick behind me. In order to do that, I'm going to step forward with my left leg and short punch and stiff arm behind me. Now I'm going to chamber for Yapchagi and Kwando Kong Kyuk. Simultaneously, and Kiap, bring my hands back and land in Hugo Jase Chundan Surumaki. So back stance, middle knife hand block. This will be followed by two more. Next one and the last one. Then I'll step into Chungo Jase front stance and Kwansu Kong Kyuk spear hand. This will be a kiap as well. Now, big turn, hands come to my hip, look over my shoulder, step into Hugo Jase, Chundan Surumaki, middle knife hand again, followed by another one at the corner and straight ahead and to the corner. From here, step into Chungo Jase and Tulo Aniso Pakara Maki, followed by Apchinaki, and land in front stance again, and Tulo Chundan Kong Kyuk. From here, Aniso Pakara Maki, Tulo Aniso Pakara Maki, Apchinaki, land, Tulo Chundan Kong Kyuk, reverse punch. Sangsu Maki, and Chungo Jase. Now the last combination section, I'm going to do a big turn into low block Haran Maki, come around and execute that. And like Pyong An Chodan, I'm going to release the hip and do open hand block as well. Next move will be high block to the corner, Sandan Maki. And we'll repeat the sequence on the other side. We'll turn, low block, open hand, high block, and kiap. And return to chumbi, chariot, and kine. And back to chumbi. And that was Pyung Ahn Ee Dan, the second form in the Pyung An series of 5 forms. Be sure to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And ring that bell for new video notifications, which will be Chilsang Irohyang in the next video. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy. Why is this so hard? Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Pyung Ahn Ee Dan. Okay.
That was so perfect.
I know you do that, like I can't hold it anymore. My face hurts. Hang on, I'll get there.
No worries.
I'm slow, but I'll get there. And I'll run you over, I think. All right. See, a lot of distractions.